In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Norton Safe Web using Chrome. If you ever need to turn off this extension, perhaps to troubleshoot an issue, or simply because you prefer browsing without it, this step-by-step guide will show you just how easy it is. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage your Chrome extensions with confidence. First things first, let's dive right in by opening your Chrome browser. It's important to note that these steps specifically relate to Chrome. So if you're using a different web browser, the process will differ. Now that you've got Chrome open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the familiar three-dot icon, which is Chrome's main menu. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu filled with options. Next, look down the list until you find the More Tools option. When you hover over it, another menu will appear. From here, select Extensions. This selection will take you to a new tab where all your installed Chrome extensions are displayed. This page is your gateway to managing the various add-ons you've accumulated over time. On the Extensions page, your next move is to click on Manage Extensions. Doing so will provide you with a more detailed view of each extension, complete with toggles and options for organization and control. This is where you can fine-tune what is running on your browser. Now, carefully scan through your list of extensions. You're looking specifically for Norton Safe Web. With many extensions possibly installed, it might take a moment, but locating it is crucial for the next steps. Once you've found Norton Safe Web, you'll see a blue toggle which indicates that the extension is currently active. To disable Norton Safe Web, simply click on this toggle. It will slide to the left, turning gray, which signifies that the extension is now inactive. Disabling the extension doesn't remove it. It merely prevents it from running until you decide to re-enable it. In summary, managing your Chrome extensions, including disabling Norton Safe Web, is straightforward once you know where to look and what buttons to press. This process allows you to tailor your browsing experience to suit your needs, whether it's improving browser speed or enhancing security. If you change your mind and want to turn Norton Safe Web back on, you can follow these same steps, but this time, clicking the toggle to reactivate it. With these tools at your disposal, you're equipped to make your Chrome experience as efficient and comfortable as possible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your software and browsing experience.